I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Granny Pig. And this is Grandpa Pig.
Peppa and her family are visiting Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig.
Granny Pig, Grandpa Pig.
Hello, my little ones. Come inside. We have a new surprise.
What is it?
We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is?
Dinosaur!
No, it's not a dinosaur. Come and see. Peppa and George love eating chocolate cakes, but today they were in a hurry to get back and play with Parrot.
Finished!
What noisy little ones you are?
Granny, please, can we leave the table and go and see Parrot?
Are you sure you've completely finished your cake? Off you go then. Peppa, George, have you been playing with Polly?
Yes, Granny.
Polly is such a sweet parrot.
Yes, Granny.
I'm a clever parrot.